Hi, welcome in this new video where I'm gonna give you big tip for you to get more design for your print-on-demand business. So you're gonna see it's not that hard, but you need to do specific thing to get the best design and the most design that you can. When I tell to my students that you need to get a lot of designs in order to succeed on marketplaces, most of them are like, yeah, Tom, but you know it's hard because I don't have many ideas. It's super tricky. I don't know what to do and how to do it. Okay, so every time I say that, I say first, you have to subscribe to this channel and then you have to smash the like button. That's the first thing. And second, I tell them, hey, go on YouTube, go on Google and find some ideas. So I'm going to give you my tips to get new ideas. So we're going to go on the hunting niche. Okay, so the goal of that is to get an example. I'm not specifically into this niche. I used to be 4 years ago, but I stopped it because I'm not super fan of the niche. So what I always do is like the name of your niche that you want to target and then design t-shirt or just t-shirt or whatever, and then that will give you a lot of ideas of what are the specific elements that are everywhere, you know. So you can see you have the deer always here, you have the rifle, same, always here, you have some forest and some trees. Okay, so now what can we do? So most of those design I don't like them because first, it's not my niche, so I don't have appeal to this niche. And second of all, there is too much information and too much element. Remember, if you want that your design succeed, you need to have like the cleanest design. It's like one sentence, one element, that's it. When you have too many things, it's so hard to understand and so hard to see what it looks like. But now that I say that, I'm pretty sure that on those designs, there are a lot that make a lot of money because once again, each niches are different. Okay, so I don't like that, but we don't care about what I like or what I don't like because it's not my niche. I'm not the target client, you know. So now that we see that, we can have some more ideas. People are proud about hunting, like every niche is, they are proud about this niche. That's why they buy it, by the way. And so that gives me more ideas. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on Spreadshirt and you see I got this one, Born to Hunt. So okay, it's interesting. I don't really like the design, but it's interesting, the Born to Hunt. And what is good with that, it's like now that I have this idea, I can do my own. All right, I can do my own design, Born to Hunt. But what is funny, it's like a lot of people will just make one design and that's it. But if you want to get more design, the tricky things to do is to not make just one design based on one idea, but multiple design based on one idea. Let me explain you. If you have the Born to Hunt and you see the two sniper on each side and the aim to hunt, I'm pretty sure that we can have other ideas. So let's find that, Born to Hunt. For example, this one. So there is a lot of them, and which is pretty good because with the same idea, you can put a lot of design. And that's what is pretty good. And please, if you want to succeed on marketplaces, don't be lazy. Don't do just one or two design per idea. Do a lot of them. Like usually I do between 5 to 10 design per idea. And most of the design on the marketplaces are from me or from my students, even in the English market, because I taught them to do that. And that's why most of them have good results. Like we have people from 500 to 1,000 a month by doing nothing now. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And of course, it's not magical. There is a lot of work behind that. But I wanted you to know that at some point you can reach this result and it's not impossible. Really, everybody can do that. So as you can see, Born to Hunt, Forced to Work. All right, this one is kind of nice. We can keep it for the idea. Born to Hunt, super hard to read, but once again, we can keep it for the idea. I like the fact that the snipers are crossing. It's like a good element, you know. Born to Hunt, Forced to Work. So we can see that this one come back pretty often. Okay, Born to Hunt once again. Born to Hunt, Forced to Work. Okay, so once again, I think it's maybe a common phrase in the US, and I'm sorry if I don't know it. It's not yet my culture 100%, but you can tell that there is a lot of people saying that Born to Hunt, Forced to Work. So yeah, it seems to be something super famous in the hunting niche. But you can see that with the same idea, you have a lot of people doing the same idea, but not the same design. So why it can be you? Why you have to stick with one idea when with one design, when with one idea you can do multiple design. That's what I want to tell you. Don't get stuck with one design per idea. And honestly, if you have one idea, let's say Born to Hunt, and you do 5 to 10 design, it will be way easier for you to get a lot of designs because you don't have to get a lot of ideas in order to get a lot of design. I hope you follow me, but I want you to understand that it's super easy. You just have to be creative here, do your homework and search for relative design. Don't copy, of course, just inspire yourself, and then you can use them and get more results, because the more you will get design, the more you will get sales, and the more you will get sales, the more you will get sales. It's like a snowball effect. All right, so it's super easy, and that's what you need to do. It's like, do your homework, search about the niche, go online, go everywhere, and try to find what people love and what they want in their design. So I took the hunt niche, which is a great niche, by the way, but it's not the only one. There is millions of niches, and it's up to you to find the one that are good and the one that will give you good results. So I really like this one. I love also this design. Only the finest hunters are born in 1991. Pretty good to do with the dates or the months, because you just take the one idea once again and you just multiplicate. On the French market, I made something, I thought it was for Father's Day. I made something was like the best fathers are born in, and I did from 1950 to 2021. I know it's stupid because nobody is father in 2021, but at least in some years when people will start to be father, my design will be here since a long time, so it will be good. But of course, I'm not going to lie, I don't make sales from people. I think my max sales is from people around 94, I guess. But that gives you an idea. It's like with one idea, I made maybe 70 designs, and boom, that's how we do. So it's not that hard. You just need to be smart and to outwork the other person, because they're gonna be lazy. They're gonna do like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do one design for the hunter, and they do just Born to Hunt, and that's it. When you will do the same Born to Hunt, but you will do 5 to 10 to maybe 20 different design. So of course you will compete yourself, but you don't care, because if one of your designs sells, that means this one people prefer it, and the other one they don't like it that much. But if some of people do like this design, it will be the money for you no matter what. So don't lose this opportunity. Print on demand is big, print on demand is huge, and honestly I think we are far away from having the top pick, because if you go on the street and you ask people, do you know print on demand, 99% of them don't ever know what is it. But at the same time, if you go on the street and ask people, hey, do you know what is drop shipping? Most of them knows. So be smart, but there is a lot of money to get from this business. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, help me to grow, and help me also to help you. What I mean by that is that if you want to go further, you have on the description link 800 design in order for you to start print on demand. So what you can do with this design is upload them directly to the marketplaces, but I suggest that you take them, you pimp them up, and then you upload them. But the job will be 90% of the job will be already done. So you just have to do it, and you will earn a lot of time, and guess what? It's 100% free. So just click on the description and you have everything you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And once again, don't forget to take action. Is the most important thing if you want to get results. I wish you a very good day. Thank you so much, and bye.